Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Windows is updated and your phone meets requirements. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices so they can pair securely. Next, open Phone Link on PC and the Link to Windows app on your phone. Grant basic permissions when prompted. Once done, choose Setup on PC to begin pairing. This step establishes the account trust and network visibility you need to complete the connection. Now you pair the devices. On the PC, choose Android and click Pair New Device to display a QR code and a 6-digit code. On your phone, open Link to Windows, tap Pair with QR code or enter code manually, and scan or type the code. This securely exchanges credentials. Make sure to grant app permissions for notifications, contacts, and storage so Phone Link can mirror messages, calls, and media. After pairing, the PC will finish syncing app data and settings. Finish by customizing what you sync. Enable messages, calls, photos, and notifications as needed. Enable Bluetooth on both devices if you want call audio. Make sure background app permissions and battery optimization exclusions are set on the phone so the connection remains stable. If content doesn't appear, restart the Phone Link app on PC and Link to Windows on your phone, then reconnect. Also verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.